Reading 11055, Vaccine Doubts. Here in Korea, they want to mandate the police force to take the AstraZeneca vaccine. Since they are in constant contact with the public, I think it's okay for them to do so. Master, what would be the right way to go? That they agree to be vaccinated with tremendous gratitude for what is given to them. In this way, they would not suffer any complications. On the other hand, with doubts and fears, they may suffer unwanted side effects. Why? Energy is constantly flowing, even within us. Doubts and fears only block this flow, giving rise to complications. Receiving with gratitude all that is offered to us by nature does not interrupt that flow and does not give rise to any kind of difficulty. Just be very grateful that you were able to receive the vaccine.